Hello, I'm CP, co-founder at NeedTech Labs. Within the next 3 minutes I'll walk you through our unique startups marketplace. Once we click on the Marketplace tab, the first thing we will see is that we have at the moment 297 startups available and that all startups are locked as an extra layer of IP protection. Once you register as a qualified member and sign in, you will be able to find all the information that is available for every startup. Into your members area, you'll find smart shortcuts to your wish list, your bids, as well as the purchased startups. You can use the search bar to pick a category and refine your search with the help of the additional fields. Each available startup has a short description, 3 quality scoring rates, as well as the asking price. You can simply click on Read More to get to the selected startup and have access to comprehensive information about it, including the startup description and specifications as well as the assets that this startup includes. You have an option to place a bid for the startup, or you can proceed to buy it immediately. By the time you finish the payment process, which can be done by a credit card or bank transfer, you will be redirected to the startup's delivery page, which includes complete information and the relevant download links to every asset. You'll get a professionally written executive summary, which can be used for several purposes, including for investor presentations. Next, an in-depth business plan showcasing every single area of the startup that needs to be developed, the forecast for the coming years, expected ROI, and more. You will get an unbiased third-party valuation with detailed explanation on how this process has been performed. Another third-party document that you'll get is a Freedom to Operate certificate, which gives you peace of mind that you have the ability to run this business without legal risks or conflicts of interest with other funds. Lastly, a USPTO provisional patent will be granted to you, making sure that your IP rights are protected. Additional documents and unique recommendations for startup will also be delivered, and you'll have the ability to access our service providers section, where qualified professionals in different fields will be happy to connect. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tour through our unique marketplace and to have you on board.